everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's going to be a little noisy because we are at the range. We're going to be testing some 10mm ammo. We got Glock 29 and we got my 20 OEM barrel for both. The OEM barrel for the Glock 29 is a little bit shorter. Shooting the MagTech 180 versus the Underwood ammo 220 grain hardcast. Chronograph right there. So we got 4 rounds of the MagTech 180 grain right here. And chrono is good to go. 1078, 1113, 1107, 1119. Glock 20, same grain. Chrono's ready. 1187, 1164, 1199, 1195. All right. We got the ported barrel, and this is a little bit longer than OEM. So, as you can tell, it's just a little bit longer. So we're gonna put this guy in there. I'm gonna see if the recoil is any different. The MagTech 180 grain. Chrono's ready? Good. 1157. 1154, 1157, 1159. The muzzle jump seems less aggressive, and it seems to keep it a little bit. Paper's getting all wet. It's raining. Underwood 220 hardcast out of the. I already have the barrel in there, so we're going to do that now. $11.65, $11.72, $11.40. That 220 grain thick to it. We're gonna do 220 hardcast out of Glock 20 OEM. $11.57, $11.29, $11.34, $11.56. Very competitive velocities. 220 grain hardcast out of stock length barrel of the Glock 20. $10.72. And we'll see what we get with the 220 hardcast. $11.95, $11.88, $12.02, $11.93.